Well, I think the story from last month is also kind of winding up the hold up true here today again as well. Alternate Attacks picked up a 15 to, I believe it was a 12-star showing against MCES. They really are all-stars on both offense and defense, but defense so often is able to get you the wins in these wars. You really only need competent, level-headed, well-planned attacks, with a 50% hit rate. And if you can just keep the 3 stars away from your opponents, that's good enough. That's Team Elevate's strategy, and Yves Kalle outlined a little bit more of that yesterday in the interview. Might get another chance to hear from him later today, not just as a competitor, but as a potential golden ticket holder, as one of the last 2 remaining clans in contention for that coveted spot for the lion's share of the $1 million prize pool this year, Judo.
Time will tell. They are one of the 3 teams remaining. I have to say that the Yeti blimp he used got amazing value to that compartment just to the left of the Queen, and he's charging in nicely. One of the balloons already set off a seeking air mine. That's why he's sending another, just to make sure this area isn't significantly trapped. And look at the super wall break, just allowing the Queen out and then in. Probably going to try and use something, I would think, to funnel the gold mines. And yes, just as I say that, the Barbarian King is used because he's already opened up a compartment to the bottom for the King to dive in. Another black bomb is found from the balloon, and also the tornado trap adapts with the invisibility and the rage. I can't even keep up right now, Woody. Yves Kalle is doing fantastic.
Brilliant reads and excellent Coco Loon catching that seeking air mine. The healers are still all healthy and happy in the back. Those builder huts, unfortunately, not going to get any value at all helping out the town hall, as they're just kind of sitting there waiting to be popped down one by one by this Archer Queen. Moving on in. He's pulled out that skeleton trap as well, and so it seems like there's nothing that can really surprise or shake Yves Kalle. He's starting up his main phase hit now as the Dragon Riders soar through on the top corner, pulling out a Lava Hound, but they're just going to ignore it entirely. They focus on defenses, and so that'll just be a big obstacle for the Electro Owl to have to deal with now.
Oh yeah, he took a lot of damage to the Royal Champion there because the Dragon Riders cannot help out in taking the Clan Castle troops down, so he was relying on the Royal Champion and the Owl. You can see the RC with such little health now. She's actually moved on into the center to get that multi, but the ability will be forced momentarily. Look at the bottom of the screen though, Woody. That Queen is still going. The MVP of this attack, 2 freeze spells, using it to protect his Queen. Headhunters on the King. Only time can stop Yves Kalle now.
Time may very well stop him, though. With only 15 seconds left, I gotta wonder, could he have gotten more value with that freeze spell, kept a few more troops alive, and ensured a 3-star strike? He's surpassed now the 94% that TOMPINAI Empire were able to put out, but I don't think this 3-star is looking very likely. Time is out, and Yves Kalle with a 97% 2-star has put his team in the lead